Oh, sure. So, fuck up. Okay. Hi, guys. Making video the same time trading is very difficult. Making videos the same time trading is very, very difficult. You are bound to make some mistakes. But because I've already been following my trading systems and I know how it works. Anyway, Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name. And in a time like this, when a plague, coronavirus, is ravaging the whole world, it has become pandemic and everywhere is locked down. It is actually a time you should know how to make some passive income. You shouldn't depend on the government. You could see the first trade was one. Actually, I was supposed to take the trade in 5 minute expiration, but I mistakenly took the trade in 60 seconds expiration. And after the first 60 seconds, there was a reversal. As you can see here, if you are able to make some little money, as in no matter how small it is, you make little money online, which is passive, is going to be of help in a time like this, in a situation like this. Try, learn how to make some passive money online. It might not be much. Please learn to make some money on the internet passively and legal. Don't scam anybody. If you scam, God will deal with you. Scam no one. Learn. This is binary option trading. Your line might not be binary option trading. Your line might be website flipping. You know, it might just be something else. It might not be binary option trading. This is my passion. This is what I love doing. I actually resigned my military job for trading. It got me much more attention. It got me much more money than while I was in the army. Truth be told, this is what I love doing. I love trading. I love making money online. You can trade cryptocurrency. You can invest in cryptocurrency. You can make some good money. Just find something doing. Everywhere is locked down. No money everywhere. Everyone is crying. But if you've been able to make some little money online, you will not, this will not be a new thing to you. That is what I'm telling you. Learn how to make passive money online. Okay, now I haven't made the first trade of this video. I've had some trades before now, which were very okay. Now, just in less than 2 minutes, the second trades will be ended. The first trade, $23 was made. If this goes also into the money as expected, another $23 will be made. This does not mean that I cannot lose. No, it doesn't mean I cannot lose any of my trade. I can lose. I am not gambling. That is why I am a trader. I use my trading system. It's quite different from a gambler. This is not gambling. I am a trader. Learn to be a trader or learn to earn money online. Or Deyemi Akinyemi remain my humble name. Let's pause this video until when it finishes. See, the video just ended. I mean, the trade just ended. ITM. ITM means in the morning. Okay, let me show you. This is it. You see, there were conditions I took before taking this trade. Okay, I actually took this first trade here on this currency pair AUD card. You can see the yellow pop up. I took this trade, it was one. I missed this trade because I was actually listening to a program and this again. So the trade is won. Here, I will be waiting on that trading system, on that signal. Once again, I just want to tell you, okay, I got another pop-up here. You can see a pop-up here with another situation. I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to take the trade. Once the conditions are met, I will take this trade, okay? Now you can see the trend has gotten to a major resistance area and the trend is above the upper band. Now I will be getting ready to trade. I'll be getting ready to trade now. Here, I'll be trading down. Just executed a trade now. It's expected. The next candle is expected to fall in the next 5 minutes. I keep making same mistake because I'm making video. I will just have to leave it. I was supposed to change this to 5 minute expiration, but because I was just making video, I forgot to change it to 5 minute expiration. I just traded on 1 minute expiration. I just hope it ends in 1 minute expiration as expected, but supposed to be in 5 minute expiration. Okay, this way. So these are the trading rules. I mostly wait for the trend to be above the upper or the lower bands. Then the trend should be at the major uh, resistance or support area. So that trade has just been won. You can see again. Okay, it has just been won. So it is not far-fetched. It is not. It has been expected. You see this way. You see how the trend is actually coming down. It is expected. It should be this way. That is why there is difference between a gambler and a trader. I am a trader, not a gambler. And as you can see here, on the second, on the middle chart, this is NZUSD. I've already gotten to a support area and there is a pop-up. I am not going to pick this trade. The reason is not far-fetched from the fact that this trend has not gotten anywhere near the lower Bollinger Band, the lower band, and anywhere the major support area. So in this case, I will let go of this because even with this pop-up, there might still be a retracement down until when it gets to this major support area. So the purpose of this trading system is 5 minutes expiration. Though it has expired, yeah, and money has already been made, but the best of it all, what is expected is that at the end of this 2 minutes 34 seconds, this candle here should remain down. That is when the trading system is said to be effective. Okay. Once again, Odeyemi Akinyemi remains my name. I'm going to put this video on pause and we are going to see if actually this very candle, this very wall remains down. If it does, it means it wins again. Already I've traded and mistakenly okay. Now I have a double pop-up here. The second pop-up just came up, but let me see if this trend will come down so close to the lower channel, the lower band. Then I might think of taking this trade. Otherwise, I will just let go of it. The fact that there are double pop-up doesn't mean it's going to be automatically a winner. No. Doesn't mean it's going to be automatically a win. No. It doesn't sound that way. Double pop-up is not a passport to winning. Okay, let's just keep calm and see how it goes. We're having less than 20 minutes to the end of this trade. So let's see 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's a win, okay? The trading system won again. But in this case, I'm not going to trade because it has not gotten to it expected of me to trade. You see what I just told you? You see what I told you? So the yellow pop-up and the magenta pop-up doesn't signify automatic win. You must follow the strategy, and the strategy is that The trend must be around the lower or upper Bollinger Band, and not Bollinger Band, channel or band, upper and lower band, and it must obey the rule of the support and resistance. Now look at the way it is. It is very close, or let me say it is almost on the lower band. So I'm going to pick the trade on the next opening of the candle. Here we can see clearly that the trend has finally gone below the lower band, and it has actually broken the support, the major support here. We can see a retracement up, so we are actually waiting for 5 minute expiration. So I will just be getting ready. Then when a new candle is opening, I will be trading up in 5 minute expiration. This will be my third trade in this video. My first and second trades were won. Let me take one more trade and see how it finishes. This trading system can be used on any broker, be it IQ Option, binary.com, any broker of your choice. What I'm telling you is that make money passively online, most especially at this period where everywhere is locked down. So now it's time to execute it. To my I have just selected 5 minutes expiration, and I will be trading up in the next 1 second. I just traded up. Why did I do that? Because there is a new opening of a new candle. Okay, and in the next 5 minutes, I'm expected for the trade, for this very trade, to actually close. In binary option trading, it is not over until it is over. Okay, it is not over until it is over. As you can see, because of the trading, a new pop-up also came up to denote that we are doing the right thing. You can see, just at the right time. I'm going to put this video on a pause and wait for its expiration. As you can see below here, it says we have about 3 minutes. About 3 minutes. Okay. So, but in the sense of it, we're actually having 4 minutes, some seconds. But I'm still having like 3 minutes to place another trade if I want to place another trade. And all trade placed will still be closed at the time of the expiration. That is what it means. Odayemi Akinyemi remains my humble name. I'm going to pause this video. We're actually having less than a minute to the end of this trade. And as you can see, the trend is going back to where it came from. There is a retracement, but we are still in the money anyway. There is a retracement. Now we have 30 seconds to the end of this trade. And in binary option trading, it is not over until it is over. Okay, so let's just hope that we are going to win our third consecutive trade again using the FBW premium trading system. This trading system is actually available in the premium section of my forum. Third trade won again consecutively. So it's in the premium section of my forum. It's there for every premium member. And if you are not a premium member and you want this, just check the description of this video below. You are going to see how to get it. Once again, get busy, get something doing. Don't just stay at home. Have passive means of income. We are going to overcome. Odayemi Akinyemi is my humble name. Thank you and God bless you.